YouTube is kinda weird. Sure, you've got the funny cat videos, but sometimes you run into something really strange. That's where the YouTube iceberg comes in. The tip of the iceberg. First up, don't hug me, I'm scared. At first, it feels harmless, like some goofy kid show, but then it shifts. Songs about creativity turn into scenes about death and control. It's colorful, creepy, and it leaves you wondering, what the hell did I just watch? And this is exactly why it blew up on YouTube.
Come on, guys, let's get creative!
Next, we've got Salad Fingers, one of the oldest creepy series on YouTube. It's about this strange green guy with a soft, unsettling voice and an obsession with rusty spoons. It's weird, uncomfortable, and somehow you just can't look away.
Hello. I like rusty spoons. I like to touch them. The feeling of rust against my salad fingers is almost orgasmic.
And then there's Smile HD. At first, it looks like a cute My Little Pony animation, bright colors and happy music, but then it turns insanely violent. It's shocking, over the top, and honestly, it scared a lot of people who weren't ready for it, especially younger sister who got tricked by their older brothers. We are diving deeper into the iceberg, into the body, where the videos are less known and harder to explain. Teddy has an operation. The video starts off looking like some silly toy video, right? Just a regular teddy bear. But then they actually cut it open, and inside it's got organs, bones, and even teeth. It's so weird because it feels like a medical video, but on a kid's toy. Honestly, that's what makes it so disturbing.
But a good doctor looks deeper than that. Oh, that is a good sign. Teddy's crotch unicorn is healthy.
Next up is Hey Walter. At first, it just sounds like a guy talking about meeting a girl at the mall. But then he says he took her home, and that's when it gets really disturbing, because you can actually see her locked inside his house. Some say it's just a dark skit, but others think it might have been real. Either way, it's one of the creepiest videos on YouTube. I feel fantastic. It's just a mannequin-like robot staring at the camera and singing the same line over and over. The stiff movements and the blank face make it just feel wrong. One of the stories is that the creator was a serial killer, and the mannequin is dressed like one of his victims. Alright, let's dive a little deeper into the iceberg. This is where things start getting weirder, less mainstream, and a bit darker. First, there is Blank Room Soup. It's this unsettling clip of a man crying while eating soup, and then out of nowhere, these weird looking guys come in and start patting him on the back. Nobody knows what's actually going on, but some theories claim that the soup is his wife. Little Baby's ice cream. Technically, it's just a commercial, but man, it doesn't feel like one. It shows this person completely covered in ice cream, staring straight into the camera while eating themselves with a spoon. The whole vibe is so uncomfortable, like it was made to give you nightmares instead of selling ice cream.
I eat little babies' ice cream. It keeps me young.
Humunculus. This one came from a Russian YouTube channel where a guy claimed he could create life by injecting human semen into a chicken egg and sealing it up. Weeks later, he cracks the egg open, and inside is this strange, disgusting creature. A lot of people think it was fake, others swear it was real. Either way, the videos are just disgusting. Alright, now we're heading into the deep water of the iceberg. Look at the clown. Supposedly, this was made as a therapy video to help kids get over their fear of clowns, but it does the exact opposite. The grainy footage, the clown's stiff movements, and the way it just stares into the camera, it feels more like a horror shot than a children's therapy video. If anything, this video probably created more clown phobias than it cured.
The following is an experimental video therapy program for my son Ronald Yoder Jr. He is afraid of clowns. He will watch my program 4 times daily until he is no longer afraid of clowns. Look at the clown. Look at the clown.
Poco Poco Shopping. It's meant to be this goofy Japanese commercial, but honestly, it feels more like a nightmare. The costumes are bizarre, the music is off, and the whole thing just gives you that uneasy, what did I just watch kind of vibe. Happy anniversary. It looks at first like a guy just wishing his wife a happy anniversary, but the way he smiles and talks feels totally off, like he's not right in the head. And the creepiest part, some people think he might be linked to a missing girl because of the strange hints he drops in the video. The Abyss. These aren't just creepy or unsettling anymore. These are the kind of videos that stick with you. Daisy arrives. It starts with just a chair, and then suddenly there's what looks like a body wrapped in plastic. From there, the whole series just gets creepier. Reverse music, random words flashing, and this figure called Daisy showing up over and over. No one really knows if it's art or something darker, and that's what makes it so unsettling. Mr. Anime. He started out like a regular YouTuber, just talking about anime and movies. But later, news came out that he actually murdered his whole family. And what makes it even creepier is that if you go back and watch his old videos, you can kinda see little red flags, but nobody expected it to end like that.
Don't buy it, don't download it, don't even think about it!
Couldn't agree more, Hardy.
Alright, man, time for a little food.
Lastly, there is Plasma Master Don. On the surface, he was the sweet old guy, making music covers and vlogs. But things took a dark turn when people discovered the records suggesting he might have been a registered sex offender. He quietly left YouTube in 2020, citing health issues, and passed away soon after. It's that shock factor, someone so seemingly harmless, that makes his story stick with you.
Hey, Damien.
Have a cookie, bro. Calm yourself. Chocolate chip and peanut butter.
Alright guys, that's it for this YouTube iceberg. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and let me know in the comments which one creeped you out the most. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.